Good morning to everyone. My name is Ritvik. I am going to speak about the plant cell. This is the nucleus. Directs all the activities of the cell. Uh, this is the cell membrane protects the cell and allows nutrients to come into the cell. This is the cytoplasm, the jelly-like fluid that holds the organelles. This is the ribosomes produces uh, pro- proteins that helps the cell grow. This is the endoplasmic reticulum, passage that transports materials. uh, mitochondria produces energy. Golgi bodies packaged materials to be set or reviewed received. Si- uh,
He did it.
Lysosomes breaks down food and waste materials. Vacuole stores food, water, and nutrients. Cell wall produces shape for plant cell. Cy- uh, Chlor- Chloroplast uses sunlight energy to make food. Thank you.